Hello, in this video I will show you how you can reset your Google Pixel 10 by using recovery mode. First of all, you have to open recovery mode, of course. So to do it, you have to press power button and volume up button in the same time. Now in the power section you have to restart your phone and hold the volume down button only after that. When you see resetting on the screen, just hold the volume down button. And as you can see, I am in the fast boot mode right now, so now use the volume up button until you see the recovery mode over here where start is. So this is the recovery mode, and now press power button. So as you can see, this is the no comment screen. So to open the recovery mode you have to press and hold power button first, and after that click the volume up button. As you can see, I am in the recovery mode right now. So hold the power button and click volume up button. So now you have to navigate by using volume up and volume down button and selecting by using the power button. So now go to the wipe data factory reset. Now click factory reset over here, and this wipe all your user data and everything will be deleted from your phone. That's how you can do it. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.